Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways how we can do that, and the first one is you just should go into the settings application, and then here tap on the display section. Here click to the advanced options and click to the wallpaper. Here, as can you see, we can select our new wallpaper from the live wallpapers, from the photos on our device gallery, and from the just default wallpapers. Here we got some folders with the different types of wallpapers, so we can go with the earth one, for example, and just you should select one from these wallpapers. For example, we can go with this one, and now just you should select the section which you want to just set on your lock screen, and here just tap on the right down corner to the done icon, and we want to change the lock screen tab there. Wait a second while the message that our wallpaper set successfully all visible on our device screen, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way, so you just should hold for a while one from your device screens, it doesn't matter which screen this will be, and then just tap here to the wallpaper section, and by the same way you can select the wallpaper from your device photos, from your gallery, or for example from the interactive wallpapers, or from the regular device wallpapers. And by the same way, just you should select one from this wallpaper, tap here on the right down corner to set, and click to the lock screen. Wait a second, and now as can you see, we got here the changes on our lock screen, and we successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.